I'ma head out then.
They going to be. You been warming them up?
Always. Yeah, they get to like 270.
Damn, I didn't know you can get them that hot.
Oh yeah.
I'm sitting here thinking 100 and something hot.
It's 125 right now.
Low there.
I mean, they're only like slightly over RMS.
These 18s, right?
Yeah. They're on like 4,000 watts right now.
You still got 2 grams AK?
Four.
Half on.
Yeah.
I didn't know you could go half on with
The guys
that.
are like 0.75. That's 20 hertz at least. I have like 0
You said
rise.
0.75.
Yeah, so it's like 1 rise. Something. Not very much.
You wired down there.
And you still don't, still don't get that much power. I clip it like not 5,000 watts maybe.
Keep it a fix though, man. Something happened.
You trying to step up to the brink. Out in the traffic. At least faded. You think you'll give a fuck.
Anytime, man.
Feel good seeing you, man. Yeah, definitely, man. Man, we'll do it again.
Relax, lift up, push your elbow.
I'm gonna remember this one time.
One day.
Yeah, one
It's a pain in
day.
the ass.
It look good though, man. Excuse me.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
wrong.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.